In the last video tutorial, we learned how to create a map, and at the same time, we use it as a multimedia track because we add the points of interest on the map, and at the same time, we add the text description, image, videos, and so on, and we learned how to create on Google My Maps. In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can share the map so others can see it and access it. How we can invite other people to work collaboratively on the map, and also how to create the embedded code that allows us to add the map, for example, on TwinSpace. So first, let's log in on Google My Maps, choose the account, provide the password. As you can see, we have the maps. This was the map that we created, my trip around the world. This map consists in two layers, the trip around Europe and the trip around Asia, and we add some points in both. This one we didn't add anything, so let's delete. Okay, so our map, two layers, 2 points on the first layer and 1 point in the second layer. As you remember, layers in Google My Maps will be transformed to folders when we save the map in KML file and then open it on Google Earth. So, to be able to share our map with others, we have this option in here. And don't forget that a map in Google My Maps is seen by Google as a document in Google Drive. So we have these options here that allow us to share our map. So to share is easy. Here we have the link that we can share the map. Okay. For example, if you create your first multimedia track using Google My Maps, then you can just copy this link and post it on Facebook, for example, to share with all the participants the work that you have done. Here we have who has access to the map. So at this time, the map is public on the web. Okay, so anyone on the internet can find and view, can find it if it's embedded, or can find it if you share the link, or even if they search for this particular map. You can change the option, and you can say no, it's not share. I will only share with the specific people, or anyone with the link, or the option that we already had that was public on the web. Depending on the way that you share the map, you have the option here that they can edit, okay, or they only can view. Okay, so we will choose public on the web, but the people only can view the map. They cannot change it. So we just save. But imagine we are on an twinning project and we want to share our map with a partner. Instead of give the access general, we will invite people. For example, I will share the map with this guy. Okay, it's myself with another Google account. And here I will say that he can edit the map. Okay, and I can add a message. I will just send the invitation. Okay, it's done. Now I will just log off of this account. Okay, I will log in with the account that I have shared the map. And as you can see, I have here an information. Say, this user has invited you to edit the following map. Okay, I just have to click. This will be the other partner in the project. Okay, we access it. And now, for example, I can go to here and we want to add another one. Let's say in Tokyo. As you know, we just have to click here, Tokyo. Okay, we want to call Tokyo, capital of Japan. Just search for an image. Tokyo. Now I want this one. Okay, select. Here we are. Now just add another one. Select. Okay. We just save it. So here we have Seoul, and here we have Tokyo. Okay. Now my other partner add one point to the map. Okay. So I will just sign out of this account. Now just log in with the account that create the map, and I've shared it with the other partner just to confirm that the change made by the other partner are reflect on this map. So as you can see, we have the Tokyo, and here we have Tokyo with the two images. Working collaboratively on a map is the same as work on a document on Google Drive. You just have to share it to other people, give them the access, and then can start working together on the same map. This is very interesting for training projects to add information, because you can create teams with students from different schools, countries, and they will work creating the multimedia tracks, and at the same time working on the photos, producing the videos, working on the text descriptions, and at the same time add everything here on the map. So this is the way that we share the map. And if we want to embed it, the map, we go here. You see, you have other options in here. In the other video tutorial, we learn how to export to KML, so we'll be able to open on Google Earth. Here we can create a new map. You can copy, open, delete, print the map. To embed it, we just choose this option here. You will create the code to embed it into InSpace, for example. Here you can change the width and height of the map if you want. You just need to do this, copy, and then go for InSpace, for example, and paste this code, and you will have the map, as you can see here when you do the preview. Tokyo. Okay. Photo 1 and the second one. Okay. If you have any doubts or any questions, just post them on the Facebook group or in the forum in the learning lab of this learning.